Morning all, I am Mahin Fatima, studying CSM in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology. My IP assignment topic is array of strings. Let's go into the topic. First, what is meant by array? Array is a collection of elements of same data type referenced by a common name. Array's initial subscript is 0. We have three types of arrays. One-dimensional array. If array consists of one subscript or index. Two-dimensional array if array consists of two subscript or index. Multi-dimensional array if array consists of more than two subscripts or index. Next, strings. Introduction. In C language, the group of characters, digits or special characters enclosed in double quotation marks are called as strings. In other words, character arrays are also called as strings. String is always declared as character array. Strings are also known as character arrays. Every string is terminated with /0 at the end. /0 is called null character. The decimal value of null character is 0. It is not compulsory to write /0 at the end of the string. Each character of the string occupies 1 byte of memory. The character of the string are stored in continuous memory location. Next, declaration and initialization of strings. C language does not support strings as a data type. Hence, strings are always should be declared as character arrays. Declaration of character arrays or strings. General syntax. Character, string name, size, semicolon. Here, character is data type, string name is a valid identifier, size, it represents maximum number of characters present in the string. For example, character city of size 15, semicolon, character branch of size 20, semicolon. Note, the size should be equal to maximum number of characters in the string plus 1. In this slide, we can see one table of memory representation of array of strings. Here I have taken example of word geek. Here array of 0 has occupied 4 bytes, array of 1 5 bytes and array of 2 8 bytes, and the remaining bytes are empty. Here memory is wasted. Memory is wasted in strings, but whereas in pointers memory is not wasted. Next, initialization of character arrays. We have two methods to initialize the strings. First, syntax 1. Character, string name, size, within double quotes, string. Example, character, college name, within double quotes, SRIT, semicolon. Character, student name, within double quotes, any name, semicolon. And syntax 2, second method is character, string name, size equals to braces. We can braces and character 1 within single quotes, comma, character 2 within single quotes, character 3 within single quotes, and so on. At the end, /0, close the braces with semicolon. Example, character, student name. If we take any student name like Gautam, here characters are represented within single quotes, and at the end, /0, close the braces with semicolon. Next, note. When we initialize character array as character by character, we must supply the null character explicitly. Reading strings from terminal. To read the strings from terminal, we have two functions, like first one using scanf function. General syntax is scanf within double quotes percentile 0 caret /n s comma string name semicolon. Here caret slash n is used to read multi-word settings. In case of character arrays, ampersand is not required before string name. For example, character student name of size 25 semicolon scanf within double quotes percentile caret slash n s comma student name semicolon. Next, second function is using getS function. This is another method called unformatted input function to read a string of text. General syntax: getS string name semicolon. Example: getS student name semicolon, displaying string on the screen. Using printf function, printf uses percentile s format specified to display string of characters on the string. General syntax: printf within double quotes slash percentile s comma string name semicolon. Example: printf within double quotes percentile s student name semicolon. And second function is using puts function. This is another method of called unformatted output function to read string of text. General syntax of this is puts string name semicolon. Example: puts student name semicolon. We can take C program to illustrate the strings. First, source code. Hashtag include stdio.h integer main braces open character student name of size 25 comma branch size 5 comma city of branch of size 15 semicolon. Printf enter name of a student within double quotes semicolon. Scanf within double quotes percentile caret slash n s comma student name semicolon. Printf enter branch of a student semicolon. fflush stdin colon slash use it to clear the buffer. Printf branch semicolon. Printf enter city name of a student semicolon. Printf within double quotes student name student branch student city semicolon. Printf within double quotes slash n percentile s slash t percentile s slash t percentile s comma student name branch city semicolon and close the braces. We have seen the strings in C. General syntax: character string size equals to string within double quotes. Here in this example we have index 4. Here string has occupied 5 bytes. Next, last conclusion. From the above discussion we can conclude that declaration and initialization of strings are different as we saw. For every string the compiler assigns null character when it reads the string as input. Here I have taken one example. Here character string of size 12. Last it is occupied by null character. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I hope you found this video insightful.